Today I'm going to be replacing these old dull fog lights that came with my Tacoma pickup truck with these bright LED lights that I got from LED Factory Mart. I'm going to show you the install process and just look, it's a clear difference night and day. So these are my new LED fog lights that I got from the LED Factory. You can see they look way better than those standard OEM ones that I have in there. Pretty simple. It's going to be a plug and play right there. Has the 4 lights. Nice metal casing that they come in for heat dissipation. Has this design in the back. And all it really comes with is the 2 lights that you have to plug in. And then it does give you the mounting brackets. Let's show you how to install this and what they look like once they're on the vehicle. Okay, one way to have to take out this light, the whole harness for everything, put the new one in, would be to remove this whole grill, remove this whole piece that goes all the way down, and then I'll have access to it, as you can see it right down in there. I don't want to have to do all that. So I found a new way to do it. So instead of going through and taking the front grille off, I just went behind the front wheel well. Actually just have to take this one and this one off. And then I'll show you how I peeled this back so that I can get inside there. All right, so what I did is I went ahead and loosened up this back piece here. Took out just a couple little screws, used a bungee to pull it back, but I can now have access right to this. Right here, I just will unplug the light. This is where you're going to plug the new light into. Okay, you see that one screw right there? That's what's holding this in. So, just going to take a screwdriver, get that out, and put the new one in. So working in a tight little space like that and having to use both hands and not be able to get the camera in there as well, it's going to be very difficult to show you the step-by-step. But again, it's just take out that screw, use the new brackets that they have here, and get this thing installed. Well, there you can see the difference. Here's the standard OEM fog light. Kind of has that yellow dull tint to it. You can see the bright, nice bright white LED lights there. Huge difference. You know, even with them off, I really do like the look of these fog lights. They look way better. This here is how the LED lights look after being installed, and they have a nice bright light to them. You're going to see this is just with the day running lights on, the little amber lights. I'm now going to turn on just my headlights, which are LED lights. And that's the type of coverage that I get with it. Now, I'm going to turn on my new LED Factory fog lights. And you can see the difference on how much light coverage you get with these. Again, this is just with my headlights with the LED fog lights. Now, I want to give you a comparison between this is my LED headlights. I'm going to turn those off and turn on just the fog lights. And this is the fog lights without the headlights on, and this is how much coverage. You can see this is just the fog lights. The actual headlights are not on. That's just the amber lights. That's how it would be with the headlights on as well. So if I turn those on and those off, you can see just the headlights, everything up high there is totally blocked out black. When I put these on, you can see much better. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at these LED fog lights for your vehicle, I did put a link down below in the description. You can click on that and take you right to the LED Factory Mart so that you can order yours and get them installed very easily, just like I did. And again, thank you for watching my channel, The Budget Wise Dad. To get more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and you can get more of these great videos coming your way.